In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Dsound.dll is missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check our system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click on the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon. Double click on it. And if you haven't installed this yet, just simply click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. If you already have this, just like in my case, click on repair. Now once done, just simply right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and check for any updates that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs in fixing the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.